If you're encountering a registration error on Eventbrite while trying to access music events, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try refreshing the page or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing the error. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues with Eventbrite's website. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SSRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the problem continues, switch to a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the registration error on Eventbrite. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Eventbrite support for further assistance.